Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today's we'll be playing Fred Escape and in easy mode straight away, so I didn't need to wait, and I don't want you to be cross, guys. And I'm normally on my laptop, but I let my brother on my laptop, so he's on my laptop. He hasn't learnt to play on laptops yet.
Oh, I'm not moving my headset. It's not moving my head. So, I'll just.
Oh, goodbye.
I'll try to move up to that.
Don't play on the iPad after.
Nah.
Should I play on the laptop because it's easier?
Nah.
It's easier. Then I can't play on the iPad anymore.
Here you go.
It's hard.
How was it? You just need to.
Dean, quickly go on medium.
Okay.
Oh no!
I just got in.
Dean, exit!
No, I just got in.
I can't play any. Just die.
No, I have to win. Okay. Whoa!
Can I play on laptop?
No.
My laptop.
Fine. Can I just do it for one? Can I just do it for just one video?
Okay, it's going to be a 5-minute video.
Well, you can go on it then.
I'm
spectating time.
Dylan, I'm in medium now.
Okay.
After I finish medium, because you went out without me. Then go in medium left. Because you're going to go in medium left next.
Plays medium. Not in there.
So Dylan, actually go in medium left to help me when I'm back on the laptop.
Oh, okay.
Guys, did you just see that? Oh, I just died. Sorry, guys, that wasn't me. Okay, my turn on that.
I'm just going into there.
Then go in medium left on that one.
Oh, come on.
I got YouTube
Guys! Oh, I just fancied as well.
But my butt was more loud and long.
Like, brrrr.
Quickly. 8, 7, 6,
5, 4,
4,
3.
3. I missed 5.
I just got in on 1. I got in on 1.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I'm not used to this now. I'm used to the laptop actually, to be
But
fair.
you can't do all that.
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why. Because I'm used to it on the laptop.
How? You did it for 3 minutes.
I didn't even press that. I thought I was pressing that and I couldn't go forward. I couldn't go forward.
I'm on the edge.
I'm not spectating you though.
Dean, please, Dean, do it for
I
me.
always have to. Why can't I just spectate other people?
Dean, can you just spectate me till I die?
Fine.
Because I'm probably going to die now because it's really hard. No, not this one! Dean, go in medium left.
I am.
Okay,
Oh, I thought you did. I thought I was dead, man. Oh, that was just a glitch. Oh, no one's got that one yet. That's a good one. Wait, is it open?
Not yet.
Oh, because it's maybe
Then
an
the key is
invisible
the
one, of course.
green button.
Oh, that one's going to be hard. Yep, you're going to die, you're going to die.
Oh my, Dean, don't say that because it's distracting me. I could have made that.
How could you?
Dean, I could have because I
Oh,
done
up
it
to
like
me.
that. I know. I could have jumped on the button. You always need to spectate me until I die. There's no one else to spectate.
If there isn't.
It's because because people on YouTube want to know what I'm doing.
Oh, right, okay, that's maybe.
Because
That just explains the reason, doesn't it? Yeah.
if we wasn't doing it for YouTube, you can spectate anyone.
Yeah.
But we're doing it for YouTube.
I was pressing jump!
Unlucky, Dylan.
Shut up!
I'm just saying unlucky.
Well, that's just being mean.
That's been That's actually really nice. Unlucky me, like, you did a good job, but you didn't do it. But in
Then I was unlucky to you then.
unlucky, Dylan.
Okay, I was about to go on easy, but apparently, yeah. We just about to go down.
No!
I'm gonna spectate you.
You can't now!
Oh yeah, I got down to it when you died.
Did you get that on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I on easy mode.
I'm going on LT Master.
Hard mode, quickly.
No.
There's 8 seconds.
Great.
Press exit left, quickly.
I can't.
Turn around.
Great.
Oh
no.
Being spectate.
Okay, I'm spectating you.
Oh, did you just see that? Did YouTube see that?
Yeah, I think
It's
so.
like jumped when that.
I didn't see it with my own eyes, but when we look at this and we edit it, I'll be able to see it.
You guys filming a video?
Yeah.
Use it on this. It's like a blade. For some reason, I thought that was a blade for some reason. Oh, I thought that was John. Like, great timing.
No! YouTube!
No way.
I thought I was going to make that.
Rams, you gonna come up?
Didn't go in hard mode again.
I am on home. I'm in hard mode.
Ready?
It's full.
Did someone exit, please?
Boys, you need to start going up and getting ready.
After this video.
Exit. 'cause
No.
it's too hard.
Boys, come on.
After this video.
I'm just asking you to.
After this video.
Because I got. How long left? A few minutes. No. Well, Charles wants you ready for bed now. 10 o'clock at night, come on. You're 10 and 7, nearly 8, boys. Come on. Wait, I'm nearly finished. There's a few more. You just started again. Dylan has.
No, I have not.
He died.
I died.
Didn't end the video.
Bye, guys. Not bye.